itong Taipei 101 spot. Kilala ko dyan. Wow! Parang nabalita ako may bagyo dyan sa Taiwan. Guys, view from 88th floor.
Pumila ko na 1, 2, 3, 比到。让它。
Good morning guys! Day 2 here in Taiwan. So ayun, mamaya pala guys, meron kaming North Coast Tour. So since 11 AM pa naman yung pinili namin na start ng tour, for this morning may pupuntahan muna kaming spots. Sana mapuntahan namin sila lahat. Tapos let's have breakfast. So samahan nyo kami sa adventure namin today. Dito tayo sa may Ximen Station, exit 3, papasok. Going to our destination. Guys, summer pala dito sa Taiwan ha. Mainit siya pag mga ganitong month. Right now, 26 degrees yung weather. Medyo okay pa. So, hopefully, ganito lang yung weather throughout the day. Let's go! Taas ng ano nun? We are going to Zhongsha Xinsheng. 3 stops. Hi guys, update. So it's already 7:30 AM and nakarating na kami dito sa may isang spot guys ng Taipei 101. So free lang to. Pero kanina guys, yung ginawa namin, nag-train kami tapos pagkababa namin sa isang station is nag-taxi na kami kasi yung route na binibigay ng Google Maps is magbabas pa at napakarami nung stop guys. So since time constricted na lang kami, nag-decide na lang kami na mag-taxi. So parang nasa 120 NTD naman yung binayad namin for 3 packs. So, ipakita ko na sa inyo, guys. We're here at Songren Road. Ito yung famous na spot ng Taipei 101 sa TikTok, which is here. Ayan, oh. Yun yung Taipei 101 sa likod. There's the famous spot. Oh, diba? Yan si Al, nagpapapicture siya. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, diba? Kaya tayo na Okay, let's go. That's it. We're gonna have breakfast here. My Warm Day Cafe and Brunch. Yan siya. Let's see. Ooh. Here's our breakfast. Rice with chicken breast ata to. Tapos sa kanila naman, rice with chicken karage. Let's eat. Wow. After breakfast, we headed to the nearby Wuxing Elementary School, Songren Bus Station and took bus 288 to the World Trade Center, which is near Taipei 101 na. And yes, you can use your EC card to pay for your bus ride. Just tap it once when you get on and once more when you get off the bus. First bus ride. Okay guys, dito kami bumaba sa may World Trade Center and tada! Meron tayo ditong Taipei 101 spot din. Ayan. Pwede kayo dito mag-video and photo up dito. Kaso right now, sobrang tirik ng araw guys. So I suggest video na lang. Pero ang ganda niya. Okay, let's go! Shucks. Mas maganda to kapag medyo hapon. Kasi tirik ng araw. Diyos ko Lord. Kilala ko dyan. Nandito kami sa may Taipei 101. Hinahanap lang namin yung exit. Yung sa escalator trend. World Trade Center exit 4 daw siya para makuha natin yung view ng Taipei 101 na nandun sa may escalator. Yan pala guys yung World Trade Center, yung pink na yan. Yung exit 4.
Ay, ito yung 5 o nandun pa sa kabila?
Nandito na kami sa may exit 4 guys. Yan yung Taipei 101 oh. Taas. So baba tayo dyan sa escalator na yan kasi feeling ko yung pataas yun yung may view na to. Let's go! Guys, ito na yung spot. Galingan mo. Change of plan guys kasi yung Taipei 101 main entrance pala 10 AM pa mag-close and meron kaming hinahabol na tour ng 11 AM. So punta na lang muna kami ng Taipei main station para at least hindi kami malate doon sa meeting time for the North Coast tour kasi syempre nakakahiya naman na pag na-late kami tsaka baka maiwan kami, diba? So balikan na lang namin to sa last day namin yung papunta doon sa may Taipei 101 talaga sa taas kasi we have time pa naman. So yeah, let's go! Pasok tayo dito. Guys, ito na yung famous na Mr. Donut dito sa may Taiwan. Hello, oh my God, parang ang sarap na ito. Ito is yung Ponda Cocoa. Parang masarap siya. Itong may itong chocolate din siya Ito din yung sa taas. No. Yeah. One of you. Nagkamali kami kanina. Buti nagtanong kami and all. So make sure guys that may Taipei main station kayo. Tapos hanapin nyo to guys. Yung exit East Gate 3 via Zhongshan North Road. Ayan siya. May makikita kayo naka-yellow na uniform with cloak sign. Tapos lapit lang kayo sa kanila to confirm the details. Tapos bibigyan na lang kayo ng ID like this one and group number. Ayan, diba? Nakakaloka. 11:15 yung assembly time. So, aktong dumating kami dito ng 11:15. Kung hindi pa kami nagtanaw, nag-aantay kami sa maling point of, meeting point pala. Nakakaloka talaga. Okay, so yeah, let's do the North Coast Tour. Free seating siya. Walang assigned.
We going to Heping Island. Okay, Heping Island. Happy Island is kind of the same. It's like it's also we're going to see the wonder rocks in the world. It's like very beautiful, and then we just enjoy there later. The today tour. Let me they don't risk, but a lot of people they will hiding in the Happy Island. That's why it's only actually only 60 meters. But then the bridge is very small. Then you already.
It's 12:20 p.m. and we've finally arrived here at our first stop, which is the Heping Island Geopark. We were actually supposed to visit Yeoyu today but it was closed for maintenance. So yung tour guide namin, nag-decide siya na dito na lang kami pumunta, and honestly, wala kaming complaints guys. Sobrang ganda din ng place na to. Heping Island is located in Keelung City, just about an hour from Taipei, and it's known for these stunning coastal rock formations and dramatic ocean views. Yung mga landscape naman dito, super unique niya. You'll see mushroom-shaped rocks, sculpted cliffs, and some really scenic walking trails. It's definitely way less crowded than Yeoyu too, so it's perfect if you just want to slow down, enjoy the sea breeze, and take in the views. We also paid an entrance fee of 400 NTD for the 3 of us. Fun fact, this island is used to be off limits sa public because it's actually a military zone. Now it has been opened up and turned into a really peaceful and well-maintained park for locals and tourists. Thermal ano ba siya? Swimming area. Ayun, tingnan mo, may mga naliligo. During summer.
A few moments later.
Guys, our next destination is here at Shifen. So, may try din namin yung lantern experience dito. Ang daming tao and mukhang uulan na guys. So, yeah, let's see how it goes. Wala kang kasama. Okay, here's our code, guys. Okay, this one. 4 colors. Oh, Ace, get it.
Oh, the lantern go inside.
Here's our lantern, guys. Ayan. Pinurchase naman yung ticket na to sa Klook para hindi na hassle. So, red yung side na to. So, pwede nyo ilagay dito anything about health or peace. Ayan. Oh. Happy Lantern pala guys, yung name ng shop, yung provider sa Klook. If ever doon din kayo mag-purchase. Prosperous. So, okay, we're good. Yes, finish.
Hello. Dito. Kuya. Okay, together. 1, 2, 3. 比到。让他等一车吧。Dito. 爸，以啥爸？
You can shop for souvenirs here, guys. Ang daming pagpipilian. Ito cute ang mga lanterns, oh. Ito, mga ref magnets naman, marami sila. Yan, ang dami. Ang dami, guys!
Can I collect the money too? 240.
Pagtapos na, papalitan mo sa kanila.
Our food. We're gonna try yung giant squid. Here's the price.
Is that all takeaway?
Takeaway.
Okay. Still now.
Okay, another one. Puro na. Ubus sa pera.
Ubus sa pera?
Yeah. Ha? 140. Kaya pa. Kaya nyo pa. Kaya pa. It's raining na guys, and our next destination is Chiffon Waterfall. Ayan, it's already past 3:30 p.m. na. Diba? Okay. We're here. Oh my god! Uy!
Parang basa na.
Oh my god.
Move ka ba, ma'am?
Uy.
Madulas, ha?
There's the Chiffon Waterfall. Yan, wala masyadong ulan guys, kaya konti lang yung water niya. But still, maganda pa rin naman. Located in Pingxi District, Chiffon Waterfall is often called the Niagara Falls of Taiwan. It's actually the widest waterfall in the country, and its horseshoe-shaped drop often creates rainbows on sunny days. Guys, kain muna tayo. Ang sarap ng xiaolong bao. Sarap ka.
Ako naman.
Grabe, sobrang ulan. Magdala pala kayo ng payong o kaya raincoat. Kapag mga ganitong month kayo pupunta kasi parang may bagyo ata dito sa Taiwan na parating, kaya yung grabe yung ulan dito. So, yeah, hassle but still, okay pa rin naman siya. So, sana tayo next? Pag-picture tayo dun, no? Sige.
In Taiwan, you don't need. So there are 2 stores that have but the tea there is these 2.
Patagilid yung ulan.
Si Oy. Siyempre, Oy.
Okay, guys.
Oh.
That is a mochi.
Oh.
Mochi is there. Mochi is there. Mochi is there. Mango jelly is there. Which one you want to try? This one have a good ginger tea.
You can try nougat candy.
Oh.
Buy 5 get 1 free credit card. Okay.
How much?
280. Buy 5 get 1 free. Nougat candy you can try.
Oh. Sarap. Oh.
So the egg cookie. So the egg cookie. 100.
Strawberry.
Buy A 1,000. Discount. Buy A. Also discount. Buy A 1,000.
Strawberry na, ano?
Naku, puro free taste. Manadaan na yan.
Yeah. Mabubusog kayo dito guys sa free taste sa may Jufen. Oh my god, I wanna taste the ano. Sausage girl. Wow!
1,000 for the
Yogurt?
milkshake. Melon.
Oh,
Tapos may ano tabi ito.
Chocolate, small, 150.
150?
1,000. 1,000.
Kasi kala ko...
Picture na yun.
Hindi ko
Yan,
alam.
guys, milk tea na naman. Na naman.
Jiufen is a charming mountain town in northern Taiwan known for its lantern-lit alleys, nostalgic tea houses, and stunning coastal views. Once a gold mining village, it's now a popular spot for street food, culture, and spirited away-like vibes, though Studio Ghibli has denied the connection.
Ay, ito yun, Al. Guys, grabe yung ulan. Look at that, oh. Shucks. Nabuta lang kami ng bagyo talaga. Ano na?
Grabe ang bagyo. Paano mabagyo sa ibang bansa?
Diba? Lakas ng hangin. Oh my God.
Ito ka mama ko.
Ano sabi? Parang nabalita ako may bagyo dyan sa Taiwan. Ay, oh my gosh! Uy! Ay! Ako eh!
Papanta ko na lang! Kasi lang, wait lang!
Oh my God!
Yung mga Pinoy! Hindi na ako paano!
Hoy! Teka lang! Ano na to? Ay, first time ko yung ganito na tour.
Wala pa yung bus. Tatlong bus pa tayo doon.
Grabe!
Many hours later.
O, diba? Dito sa may Taipei, hindi umuulan. Ayan. Let's go! We're going back sa hotel na namin kasi, oh my God, I think magkakasakit na kami. Hi guys! Update! Nakabalik na kami sa hotel. Pero bago kami guys bumalik, dumaan kami sa 7-Eleven at bumili na kami ng dinner namin kasi wala na kaming energy and basa kami guys dahil sa ulan. So ito yung food namin. Oh. Ay, yung food namin siya. Ayan, bumili kami nito. Masyang umu-rice. Tapos, syempre noodles. Yan yung kay Al. Yan yung sa kanya. Noodles din. O, diba? Good morning guys! Day 3 here in Taiwan. So for today guys, maulan siya. Actually, cloudy lang pala dito sa Taipei City. Pero sa ibang parts like Kaohsiung, Chiayi ata, maulan siya. And supposed to be today, yung day 3 namin is Meteor Garden Tour. Tapos dapat pupunta kami ng Taichung, diba? Kasi kasama na yun doon. So, ayun, na-cancel siya, guys. Kasi nga, may bagyo dito sa Taiwan. Ang lungkot ng isa dito. Si Ace, kasi siya talaga yung nag-request ng Meteor Garden Tour. Kasi super fan na fan siya ni Sanchai. Ang daming So, ayun, yung gagawin na lang namin today is yung pang last day namin na itinerary is gagawin na lang namin today. Hopefully, magawa namin lahat. Tsaka isingit namin yung ibang attractions na pwede puntahan today. Kasi sayang guys yung araw. 5 days lang kami technically na talaga dito, roam around sa Taiwan. So kung may isang araw na tutunga nga lang kami dito sa hotel, nga na. So ayun, let's see, update ko na lang kayo kung saan kami mapadpad today. Okay, they're ready. O, yung weather ngayon sa Taipei, 25 degrees. Pero feeling ko medyo uulan ng konti maya-maya. So, anyway guys, dito pala yung hotel namin. Tapos, mayroong breakfast place dito. Ayan siya. Sa labas lang siya ng hotel. Actually, connected siya sa hotel. Ayan. Magta-try kami ng scallion pancake nila. Which is here. Yan yung scallion pancake. Tapos, nagpadagdag kami ng egg. Yan siya guys. They're cooking it na. Ito yung menu nila. Plus, we're going to try yung toast bread nila. Bacon, egg, and cheese beef. Ito yung prices. O, diba? Yan. Tapos, ito yung sa labas ng hotel. Yan siya ngayon. Wala masyadong cars right now. Kasi guys, suspended yung class nila today because of bagyo and no work din ata. Yan. There's the Ximen Station, exit 2. And here's our hotel. Airline Inn. Ayan lang siya guys. May 7-Eleven na connected. Tapos another breakfast place here that you can try.
Ito na ang pagkain!
Oh my God! So let's buy coffee na lang sa may 7-Eleven. Tapos dito lang namin plan mag-breakfast muna guys bago kami maggala-gala. Oh, parang museum. Ano bibili mo? Juice? Breakfast. Bumalik muna kami sa hotel guys para lang kumain. Hangin kasi sa baba eh. Taste test, taste test. Okay. Ito naman yung bacon sandwich. Harap mo lang. Tawang ka.
Kahit walang masyadong ano. Hindi na kayo
Sakto lang yung gulay niya eh. Okay guys, 11 AM na lumabas na kami pero sobrang maulan today. Our first stop is Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. Let's see, pero maulan kasi siya talaga. Kaso kasi wala kaming magagawin guys sa hotel. Sayang yung araw. So maggala pa rin tayo. Let's go! Tayo na lang tayo. May space. Ito. Ayun, tatlungan mo. Yan, Chiang Kai-shek. Yung exit guys is dito sa may exit 5. Yan yung station, oh. Tada! Grabe yung ulan. So dito tayo. Going to Chiang Kai-shek. O diba? For the galaang persons. Guys, update! We're finally here sa may Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. Ayan, wala masyadong tao kasi syempre, umuulan ngayon, di ba? Tingnan nyo naman. So, ayun yung Memorial Hall itself. Sa dulo, puntahan natin. And guys, in fairness, maganda pa rin naman siya kahit umuulan. O, di ba? Plus, wala masyadong tao. Ang nice! O, diba? Hindi ko alam kung medyo okay din pala na umuulan. Wala masyado tao. Ang ganda. Wow. Cut kami dito guys sa taas. And ito yung baba. Ang ganda. Wow. Pasok tayo sa loob. we're done here sa may Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. Ayun, dumadami na yung tao dito. Maulan siya, pero may mga tourist pa rin talaga na pumupunta dito, guys. Kasi, syempre, parang sayang naman kasi yung oras. Unless na lang talaga super lakas and super windy. Right now, umuulan, pero hindi naman siya ganun kahangin. Since na maulan at malamig, we're planning na pumunta ng Ichiran. Let's go! Perfect day for a ramen. Bye! Nandun guys, ang Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall sa side na yan. So tumawid lang kami papunta dito sa bus station na to. Sasakay kami ng bus 20 going to Ichiran. Ayan, 6 minutes na lang. Okay, we're here. Ang haba ng pila, guys. Waiting for our order. Guys, I'm so happy makakapag-Ichiran tayo ulit. And this time, sa Taiwan naman. O, diba? Na-try ko na sa Hong Kong. Of course, na-try ko din sa Japan. Ngayon, sa Taiwan naman. Let's see if same lang yung taste. Here's our ramen, guys. Ayun. And umorder kami ng egg. Ayan, oh my god, na-miss ko na. It's so exciting. Let's eat. Itadakimasu. Man ko muna yung isa pa. Sarap. We're done here sa may Ichiran. Usual, syempre, masarap. So, ayun, if in case maulan din yung punta nyo dito and naghahanap kayo ng place na pwede nyong puntahan, try nyo na lang dito sa Ichiran, guys. And, may view dito ng Taipei 101. Ayan, oh. Ganda. Ganda nitong bangko. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Madaming mga high-end shops dito, guys. Ayan, oh. May Tiffany & Co. sa part na yon. Diba? Okay. I think malapit na tayo. Gen Z Lux. Tawid na tayo. Wow, ang taas. Oh, diba? Nandito na kami, guys, sa may main entrance ng Taipei 101. Ito yung exit 4 sa MRT station. Dito din yung sa escalator trend. However, since maulan ngayon, closed, guys, yung escalator na yan. Ayan, oh. Hindi siya pwedeng gamitin. Look. O, diba? Ayan siya. Ito yung exit niya. That's it. Okay, guys. Pasok na tayo. South entrance pala siya. Let's go. Ni hao.
Person today?
3 for simple kaffa, please.
Yes. And we don't have dining table right now, but we have a standing area for you to do the takeaway.
Okay.
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 Here's the menu. Minimum spending will be $250 for each person.
Should we order here or?
Yeah, we're gonna take your order here, but you can grab the coffee. Latte, 1 for hot, 2 for cold.
Yes, please.
That's all?
That's all.
Total will be 750. Would you like to pay by card or cash?
Cash. Ay, dapat ba nag-guard muna tayo? Okay guys, tapos na kami dun sa may front desk. Ito na siya. So may minimum order sila which is 250 New Taiwanese dollar. Pero kami kasi tatlo naman kami. So umabot na kami ng 750. So okay na siya. So if mag-isa kayo, yung minimum talaga is 250 NTD. Second floor muna kayo guys pupunta. Thank you. Ito ko yung step. Next floor is going to 60th floor. Next step pala. Ayan, going to 60th floor tayo from second floor. Okay. Ako naman, hating-hati naman ako. Now, lipat naman tayo ng 88th floor. Diretso Ace. Okay. Yes. Okay, let's press. Pero ang bilis, parang 1 second lang. Isang floor. 88, no? 88.
Naka-unlock sa ano Shit.
Shucks.
Parang na ano yung takong.
86 nag-open pa. One more.
Ano sa 86?
Ano ba yan? Dapat... shucks!
Ang bilis, 88 agad.
Oh my God!
Oh,
parang altitude, ano. Ayun na, 88! Wow, we're here na guys sa may Simple Cafe, which is at 88th floor. Yan siya. Doon natin ipapresent yung, ano. Hi.
Today your number is 95. Stay inside. When it's ready, we will call number and tell it to sit back.
Okay. Thank you. Wow. So ito yung waiting area. O, pwede na din. Guys, may view. Kinakabahan ka? Takot ka sa heights? Oh my God, guys, view from 88th floor. O, diba? Airport ba yun? Nata yung airport, no? 95. This one is hot.
This one's hot.
Okay. Here's our coffee from Simple Cafe.
Wala daw.
Coffee, guys. Ayan. Oh, diba?
Tipid tip guys, if you want to experience the view from Taipei 101 without spending too much, then you can dine at Simple Cafe on the 88th floor for just 250 NTD minimum order per person yan ha. But if you want full access from the 88 to 89th floor, then I suggest booking the Taipei 101 Observatory ticket on Klook app. And make sure to use my discount code which is Luisa Klook para maka-discount pa kayo up to 5% off.
Thank you po! Bye!
Hope to see you in Perth.
Oh, sige po, mag-message po kami sa inyo. We are done na guys sa Simple Cafe. Ayan. Papunta na kami dito sa may ground floor. Nandiyan yung sa Simple Cafe kung saan kayo magpapa-reserve. Okay guys, update. 5 PM na. Tapos na kami sa may Simple Cafe. So, balik muna kami ng hotel para mag-rest ng a little bit. Tapos mag-charge muna ng gadgets. Tapos, labas tayo mamayang gabi for Rauhe Night Market. Let's go! Pasok na tayo guys sa may train station dyan sa baba. Ayan. And may Din Tai Fung din pala dito. 7:30 PM na. Let's go to Rauhe Night Market. Correct. Papunta tayo ng Songshan, 7th stop, galing dito sa may Ximen Station, Songshan.
Kita mo. Ay, go. Ay, nakaupo na ang mga lola. Ano tayo? Ang ganda ng train nila. Dito, B.
Dito ang 5. We're finally here sa may Rauhe Night Market. Doon lang kayo mag-exit, oh. Ayan, ang ganda! Tapos may temple dito. Hindi ko lang alam kung ano yung name ng temple na to. Ang ganda. Let me see. Oh. Ang nice. There's the Rauhe Night Market.
Okay, let's
In. Go!
Dito.
Ano yan?
Yung 65.
Okay, first food na try natin. Ooh. Pork pepper bun daw siya, guys. Yan. Bumili lang kami ng isa, hati-hati muna. Diba? Crispy yung dito niya. Wow. Shop siya. Shop. Combination siya ng mga souvenir shops, guys. Tapos mga food stalls. Madami ding mga milk tea shops dito. You can buy some pasalubongs here as well.
Ito yung Indian. Keme.
Pero pepper lang din.
Ano siya? Angus beef chunk. Steak siya, guys. Ayan. Let's try it! Ang chewy. Nahirapan naman ako. Pero masarap. Papakisa.
Alat.
Ano?
Ang alat. Nababul gum.
Siyempre may asin kasi. Speed. Pangulo. Hi. Ang awesome. Pero masarap siya, guys. Yes, masarap siya for me. Strawberry yun eh. I love Ichigo. May mga claw machines din dito. Oh, avocado milk. Churros. Dried na pakbet, oh. Okay.
So, may utang.
Sweet taste.
Kulay yan. Isang pero saan may pumila ka na 8.
Pwede siyang ipaano. Yun, guys, pwede kayo dito magpa-threading, oh. O, diba? Cool. Nag-stop by kami dito, guys. Order kami ng fried rice. Ayan siya. Ito na lang. Shrimp fried rice. 100 NTD lang siya. Order kami ng 3. Ayan. Tapos dito na lang kami kakain. Magda-dine-in kami.
3.
O, diba? Try it.
Masarap. Para sa mga lasa. Kaya kayo kung wala?
Ha? Fried chicken pala, guys. Pan-order namin kanina. Lemon iced tea as refreshment. Ito siya, guys. We're gonna try the viral milk mochi. And yung in-order namin is yung coconut, guys. Pero may other flavors naman. Yan. Ito yung chocolate or coca.
Yeah, coca. And matcha. And that's a wrap for the second part of our Taiwan vlog series. Don't worry guys, I will reveal the full breakdown of my expenses at the end of this series. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, leave a comment below, and of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't yet. I'll see you mga karor in the next episode. Bye!
'Cause baby, in your absence, life is boring, so I'll never leave.